She was convicted of killing her newborn twins, and the U.S. Supreme Court denied her case.
But the appeals are far from over for Lindsey Lowe. She recently won a legal battle in court, and as News Channel 5's Nick Barris tells us, this is another step towards seeking a new trial.
This crime did garner national attention and some very strong emotions. Now, that was 8 years ago, and we covered the ensuing trial gavel to gavel here at News Channel 5. Many thought the appeals were over for Lindsey Lowe, but the chance for a new trial remains. Lowe went before the very judge last week who presided over her case, arguing for another chance.
This is a very, very unusual situation.
Lowe was convicted in Judge D. David Gay's Sumner County courtroom in 2013 of smothering her newborn twins to death. She is serving a life sentence, but at a hearing on Friday, Judge Gay granted Lowe's request of post-conviction relief based on a mistake made by her attorneys. So
she would be still facing these same charges, but she would get another bite at the apple.
Legal analyst Nick Leonardo says this is the next step in the process. Lowe's attorneys now can make new arguments in state court for a new trial. And if those are denied, as many expect, Lowe will then likely take her case to federal court.
You don't see that very often.
Leonardo says some of the same arguments that failed at the state level, such as the admissibility of Lowe's damaging statement to police, could get more traction at the federal level.
There may be certain nuances. There may be constitutional claims that were raised that were denied at the state level.
Unlike state judges who are elected, federal judges are appointed for life, and they may have a different take on certain elements of this case.
They're looking for any way they can to get another set of eyes on this. Right?
This will not happen quickly. It may be at least 2 years before Lowe can take her appeal to the federal district court in Nashville, but she's serving 51 years in prison, and one thing she has plenty of is time. Nick Barris, News Channel 5.
Thanks, Nick. At trial in 2013, a jury of 7 men and 5 women convicted Lowe of felony murder, premeditated murder, and aggravated child abuse.